Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Holden Cruze SRI Z Series hatch, stock reference number 5811. This shape runs from the third month 13 through to the first month 2017. It has an A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, front bumper cover, left headlight, left fog light. Left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror has a faded base, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left hand side skirt, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tailgate has no damage, right guard has no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display screen, sat nav control panel, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, and the instrument cluster.